In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok missing eyes icon. First of all, after you open up your TikTok now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile like this, all you have to do now, if it is possible, you can be able to see it like this one as you can see now. If it is, if you have it. So if you don't have the eye icon like this one, all you have to do now, after you open up your profile like this, now tap on this three dot at the top right side. It will take you to this option as you can see now. It will take you to this settings and privacy section. So after you come to settings and privacy now, tap on this where it says privacy. So after you open your privacy, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this section where it says profile view. As you can see here, is it second to the last option. So after you open the profile view, so just make sure to turn on this option. As you can see now, this option, make sure to turn it on. So as you can see now, my own is already turned on. So after you turn on this option now, go back again, go back again. So after you come back now, close your TikTok app and go to your Play Store or App Store. After you come to Play Store or App Store now, go and search for TikTok app. As you can see now, go and search for your TikTok. After you search for the TikTok that you are using, if you are using TikTok Lite, go and search for TikTok Lite. If you are using TikTok app like this one, go and search for TikTok or TikTok Lite. Just make sure to update your TikTok. So after you finish updating your TikTok app, go to your TikTok app again. So now for me, I'm using TikTok Lite app. So after you open your TikTok, as you can see like this one, just tap on this as you can see now, profile at the bottom right side. You can be able to see the eyes icon on your TikTok app. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.